The team I spoke with says they need to get people into these seats. If not, they run the risk of a shortage across the state of North Carolina. Now, I spoke with leaders here at the Blood Connection. They say they've seen a 20% drop in donations since last Friday. It started after the first cases of COVID-19 surfaced in the state. They say independent donors and companies are outright canceling appointments. The highest cancellations are in Wake County, where the CDC has confirmed 5 cases of the coronavirus. A spokesperson for the Blood Connection says some say they're afraid to gather in groups because of the outbreak.
There's not really a lot of people in a donation center at one time. Donors are coming in and out. It's the same with a blood mobile. So it's and our phlebotomists are clean, they're healthy, and everywhere that you can donate is safe when you donate with the Blood Connection. So we want to ease those fears.
Van Dyke says if donations continue to drop off at the rate they have this last week, hospitals will not have a reliable blood supply in months to come. She urges anyone healthy and over the age of 16 to sign up and donate.
What about coronavirus and your pets? We asked a veterinarian at the Animal Hospital of Waynesville.
Dr. Morgan Plemmons says, according to the CDC and the American Veterinary Medical Association, there's no evidence showing coronavirus can be transmitted from people to dogs and cats or from them to people.
If you are diagnosed with a coronavirus or you feel like you're sick, you should isolate yourself from your pet and have a neighbor or family member take care of them to be safe.
Plemmons says it is recommended not allowing your pet to kiss you on the mouth and to make sure you wash your hands after holding.
In the past 30 years,
that's the world's best fish sandwich.
Moose Cafe in Asheville has endured economic downturns and other hard times. Now, owner Bill Walker says there's a lot of uncertainty about coronavirus.
The employees are, very concerned. I'm sure it's going to impact business to some degree.
They haven't implemented any new precautions because Bill believes the restaurant already has effective measures in place, like wearing gloves.
We go through 2,500 to 3,000 blue gloves. These are your key.
Long before the pandemic, sanitizing chairs and tables has been a standard practice. Menus are also sprayed down, then wiped off.
The employees are, very concerned. I'm sure it's going to impact business to some degree, but I don't think the general public in Asheville at this point should have concern with the restaurants. The Department of Health has very strict guidelines. You follow those guidelines, you'll be fine.
Spring break and fewer students at Western Carolina University.
I think it's good that they're taking the necessary precautions to keep us safe.
And likely fewer walking the campus when spring break ends, now with a second week added due to coronavirus concerns.
That allows our faculty to be able to have time to put the classes that they can put online and be able to create those.
Chancellor Kelly Brown says Western is following UNC and public health guidelines to limit any possible exposure. The second week also giving students who may have traveled time to assess their health before returning.
Those classes that they can't take online, they'll be working with their faculty members to figure out what those are for things like lab courses, internships.
Obviously being with the teacher is really helpful, and we don't have that. I don't know how I'm going to pass some of my classes without a teacher.
I guess I'm kind of more of a face-to-face person.
Some students with concerns, sitting in front of a screen instead of a teacher, but understanding.
I do, 100%, yes, I do. So I just have something I have to deal with. Let's get over it.
We're going to do it as long as we think is necessary. And so could it go till the end of the semester? Possibly. Could it be for 2 or 3 weeks? And we'll have to inform students as we go along.
Western also limiting university-sponsored travel outside of North Carolina and minimizing large gatherings of people on campus. But online classes impacting students the most.
Yeah, I don't want to get coronavirus, so I think that's the best option.
And Chancellor Brown's installation ceremony that had been scheduled for March 27th has also been postponed until the fall.